Hi guys, this is my friend Colonel Hati, the elephant. Regards, this is my friend Manny. Let's play. Yeah. No, no, I can't. Let's play stove. Dude. No. 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 Are you serious? I don't want these. Move there. Okay, Sippian. Shut the fuck up. Excuse me? This might bring zombies. Office. Day one. Oh, look at that man. Yeah. The man is running.
Did you know you can make a professional
What?
polished logo without being a pro designer? Yep, AI has come a long way. There's this app called Logo Maker. It's super intuitive and quick, making me feel like I'm a pro designer.
Stop it, please. Zombies, what are you doing in here? Dude, I will attack you, zombies. Gotcha. The computer is flying. Get away from me, zombie. Out. Go. You disgusting. Let's explode them and make them die. No. Let me in. Where's the danger? Where's the dangerous zombies? Dude, you're on fire. Yeah, you're on fire. Definitely, he's on fire. Change the music. Oh, I changed the music. Two guns. Let's see where we'll got zombies. Okay, I need to play something else. No! Let's play something else. Yeah, that's better. Have a good. No! I thought you hate Granny. Oh my god, it got a lot of families. Bro, can you stop? Oh, me? No. I hate when Cecil's evil. Where did it go? Grandma, I hope. Grandma Spiderhead, no. Grandpa Vampire. Dude, what are they doing here? Yeah. That. The spider, no. Gotcha. Swintrina, no. Why you alive? Grandma. Sword fight? Oh. I win! You win! Bye guys.